Hey guys, so I finally caved and ordered a belt bag and a backpack from Lululemon. So I know that Lululemon blew up in the US, but I'm seeing more and more people over here in the UK with Lululemon bags and I just couldn't resist. So let's open it. So I ordered the City Adventurer belt bag. I love belt bags. So I've got the Louis Vuitton belt bag, the Gucci belt bag, and now I've got the Lululemon. This is the 2.5 litre bag, so it's a really nice size actually. So it has a back compartment and two front compartments, so it's actually really roomy. I like it. I chose the black because I wanted it to match with everything. So I have a Zara belt bag and it's quite small, but this is massive, so it actually fits quite a lot. Let's try it on. It has a shiny silver buckle, nice and strong. I popped it on. I don't know if you can see, I'm quite short. It's nice, it's a good size. £58, and I think I managed to get 10% off as well, so that's not bad. So let's open the next one. So this is the City Adventurer Micro Backpack. So this is 3 litres, so it's 0.5 litres bigger than the belt bag. And I got it because I don't like chunky straps on backpacks. And this one you can actually wear as a crossbody bag. So it reminds me of that little Louis Vuitton backpack. Obviously it's a fraction of the price, but let's see. I want something that I can just wear on my back that's slightly bigger than a belt bag and that would fit a bit more. So there is a compartment here and it is actually really roomy. Got a little compartment here too. Sorry, my phone was going. Let's put this on too. I just popped it on and it is actually tiny. It's definitely micro. I don't know now if it's too small, but I guess if you want something where the straps aren't too big and chunky and it's quite lightweight and you can fit more without having it all kind of bunched up on your waist, then definitely go for this. So this is how you can wear it crossbody. So that's pretty handy. That's quite nice. So you've got that option too. So this is a 3 litre and this is the 2.5 litre. So they look really similar, but you can fit more in the backpack.